What is up, everybody? Today we're in Miami Beach for Art Week. Specifically, Art Basel kicks off this weekend, but there's a lot of events leading up to the big weekend. For example, today we have Chanel doing a drone light show over Miami Beach. It's gonna look super cool. I already saw a preview of it a few days ago. They do cool things like creating the logo with the lights on the drone, and it's just, I don't know, I expect to be mind blown at this event. So we got the bike and we're gonna head over there right now because they begin in about 20 minutes. All right, so we're at the Chanel installation. We just walked right in the beach. I just realized that I am extremely underdressed. There's a lot of fancy people here wearing designer clothes, but nonetheless, we're here for the light show. So to get up on this platform, you have to take your shoes off. We're not really gonna do that. We're gonna walk around and see what else they have to offer. The quality might not be good. I'm gonna crank up the ISO so you guys can see this. There is an entire roped off section over here. I'm not sure who's allowed in and who's not. There are people coming in expensive outfits and just chilling here in my shorts. Something that I wonder is, where do they launch all of those drones from? I haven't seen them anywhere around here. They're probably launching from like a rooftop or something, but in about any second now. 7:05, still waiting. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I had such an interesting time. I've never seen drones in formation doing light shows. I know that exists, but I've never actually seen it in person. So this was such a cool experience. And this is one of many events happening throughout the week as we head on into Art Basel week. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe, because I may do more Art Basel events this week. So stay tuned.